Hello and welcome to the LinkedIn Couch. My name is Reg.
And I'm Jo.
Today we are talking about your profile and why and how you should back it up. Before we get into that though, important information. Click on the couch. No, don't click on the couch, that'd be weird. click on the cushion at the bottom right hand side of your screen to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you'll be told every time we upload new content to YouTube. And of course, we're all about LinkedIn, aren't we, Jo?
We are. We're on the LinkedIn couch, talking LinkedIn and video, YouTube, all the fun stuff.
Right. Okay. So let's get into it. So this content or this episode was sparked by an episode that we had 2 weeks ago, where I changed my profile and all hell ensued. I'd lost my headline. I was getting notifications from every Tom, Dick and Harry that was telling me, congratulations on my new job, but I didn't have a new job. I was just saying I'm the co-host of LinkedIn Couch. So Jo, with your profile, is it possible to back it up? Because I lost my headline, because that was quite well crafted, I thought, and I wanted to find it again, but I didn't back it up. So how is that possible? And if so, how?
Absolutely. There's multiple ways to back up your profile, and it is good practice because you're operating on someone else's environment. You know, LinkedIn is not yours, and they could change. You know, what if there's a glitch on the back end? Oh, look, there's one now. There's a whole big one going on at the moment when this right now it's filming. But things happen, things change. So you don't want to put all your eggs in the LinkedIn basket and lose them, like you lost that egg.
Yes, I did.
Yep. So backing up your profile is super important. So a couple of ways to do it. You could simply download your profile as a PDF, which is on your profile. You've got the More button. You click there, or it might be 3 dots depending on your where you are. Download it as a PDF. So you've got a PDF copy of, and it looks like a resume almost, you know, in that sense. But the better way to do it, and this is something that should become part of your practice, is to back up your entire profile. So to do that, you go to the Me setting at the top corner, and you go to Privacy Settings and Privacy, and you look for under the Privacy, it's archiving the profile. And you can pick and choose. So you could just download one particular area of your profile, or I recommend downloading the entire thing because then you've got the content. So you've got a CSV file for everything. You've got one for your recommendations, all of them. All of your profile, your headline, all that stuff, your content, your articles you published, your connections as well. That's a whole other conversation. But in this instance, we're talking about the content of your actual profile. So back it up. But when I'm working with clients, I always tell them to work offline or out of LinkedIn, what I mean by offline. Because if you update your LinkedIn headline, as you discovered, it replaces what was previously there and you lose something. And you can't revert. It's not like, oh, well, I'll go back to the previous. No, you won't, because I can't do it. As you discovered.
LinkedIn says no.
No. So if you work in Word, Pages, Google Docs, anywhere else outside LinkedIn, work there. So if you haven't got a backup right now, you could back up your profile, copy, or even do a copy and paste into a Word document, and then do a few updates. But I always get people to, particularly the headline, because you might change it and do some testing on it. Sort of save every version. So
You know. So just quickly before we head off, is that something you can automate in regards to every month or 3 months or whatever it is, once a quarter it does it automatically?
No.
So you have to have it as part of your process. You've got to remind yourself to physically go in and change it.
So you probably the easiest way to manage this is calendar. Make calendar action item, whatever your project management tool is for your business. 30th of the month, you go in, set a download.
Okay, so essentially we've given the viewers 2 things to do, haven't we? We've given them subscribe to the channel.
I was thinking.
What's the second one? She's like, what's the second one?
I know.
So the first one is subscribe to the channel. Bottom left, no, I keep saying bottom left, bottom right, because it's my left, your right. There's a little cushion there, click on that and they'll subscribe, then hit the bell notification. That way you get to know when we upload new content every time. And then the second thing you need to do is go and archive your profile.
Yep, archive, back it up, keep it somewhere safe.
Excellent. All right, thanks for watching. We will see you next week.